नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं दिल्ली ग्लो न्यूज। आपके साथ मैं हूं कल्याणी। शुरुआत करते हैं आज की खास खबरों से। विदेश मामलों की संसदीय स्थायी समिति की बैठक पर कांग्रेस सांसद शशि थरूर ने कहा, आज फिर से मेरे अलावा 18 सांसद थे, यानी हम 19 थे। बहुत सारे सवाल पूछे गए। कई सांसद शेंगेन वीजा और अपने क्षेत्र के लोगों की इन वीजा से जुड़ी परेशानियों के बारे में पूछ रहे थे। व्यापार संबंधों, सुरक्षा पर यूरोप के साथ सहयोग के अन्य पहलुओं, एफटीए चर्चाओं और रक्षा सहयोग पर गंभीर प्रश्न थे। हम एक और दौर की बैठक करेंगे और अगली बार मुक्त व्यापार समझौते एफटीए में रुचि के कारण हम वाणिज्य मंत्रालय को भी इस बारे में जानकारी देने के लिए आमंत्रित करेंगे। यूरोप के साथ भारत के संबंधों का प्रश्न बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है और शायद आज पहले से भी ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है। हमने अमेरिकी टैरिफ पर चर्चा नहीं की।
Relationship with Europe. There was again a very good attendance. I'm very impressed with the attendance levels of my committee because today again there were 18 MPs apart from myself, so 19 of us, and there were a lot of questions, some detailed questions. I think members of the public would not be surprised that many MPs were asking about the Schengen visas and the frustrations their constituents are having with those visas. But apart from that, there were serious questions and everything to do with trade relationships, with further aspects of cooperation with Europe on security, FTA discussions, defense cooperation, various detailed questions were asked. And I will say that we got some pretty good answers, but we're expecting more. We'll be having one more round. And next time, because of the interest in the FTA, we'll also get the Commerce Ministry to come and brief us on this. So I think I would say that the question of India's relationship with Europe is of great importance, and is probably of even greater importance today than it used to be.
Sir, any discussion on tariff? Tariff, sir?
No, we didn't discuss the US tariffs. With Europe, there is no specific tariffs. There is a particular issue of a sanction on one Indian company because of its trade with Russia. That issue was discussed, but we did not discuss tariffs. In any case, this is a subject on which we will be reporting to Parliament once the discussions are done. So you'll see all of this. But broadly speaking, no, nothing else.
Sir, this is such important as US Senator Lindsey Graham. He has urged Europe to put tariff on India for purchasing Russian oil, sir.
Well, Mr. Lindsey Graham is an individual senator who's entitled to his views, but I don't think that the Europeans make their policy on the basis of advice from individual US senators.
Sir,